partners?
What's going on?
Alrighty, so here's the deal. We are at Lake Mary right now. Sun is about to crest over the mountain top, as you can see. And that's bad news for us, this whole trip. It's been tough, guys. It's early October, and it's still like 75 to 80 degrees in the morning. And as soon as that sun hits the water, the fish go deep and the bite absolutely shuts off. So we got here literally before the sun was even up, started fishing, could barely even see. And that's when we had our luck, man. So yeah, we're probably gonna bounce from here to George, just back and forth. So might just combine the videos or make them separately. But hey guys, stay tuned.
See ya.
All right, guys, we're at Lake Mary.
What?
It is pitch black still. Got a nice one on, or a decent one. I can't really see, quite honestly. Let's go. On the mango chili. Mango chili mini jig. Oh Christ. Nolan, I swear to God. I swear to God.
Where is it?
I swear to God.
I literally can't see anything.
Oh Christ.
It's my fault. Yeah, but I can't see. You gotta tell me where it's at.
Yes! Nolan! Nolan! Get him on the shore! That's a chunker! That's a chunk! Let's go, baby!
Dude, that's huge.
That's a big boy!
Oh my gosh, that's like 6.
That's a chunk!
Get a video. Get a video. Get up close.
There it is, guys.
Mango chili, guys.
Mango chili.
Okay, I'm gonna go fish now.
Look at that, right in the lip. Before the sun's even out. There it is, guys. Beauty. Alright, guys. So this is what I caught this chunker on. It's the mango chili from Golden State. And got these little jig heads. The stinger on the back. And I got a little trailer with the Golden State inchworm. Got this fatty right here, baby. Ooh. Gonna be dinner tonight. Thank you, buddy.
Oh, is that a brook? It is. That's a nice one. Oh. Guys, first brook of the trip. Look at that thing. On the pearl brown and gold. I think that's what it's called. Look at that thing, guys. Beautiful. Here we go, guys. Look at that color on that brook. Let this guy go.
Oh, on. Oh. Got it live too. Feels decent. Mango chili, baby, Golden State. Let's go. Oh, I think this is a rainbow, dude. Decent rainbow. Drag screamer. Not on the log, buddy. Dude. This guy's angry. Angry guy. He's over next to the duckers, dude. Let's go. Dude, this guy's taking me for a spin, dude. I'll look out. Oh, I think this is a chunk. Oh, this is a nice one, dude. It's a rainbow. Oh, chunker, dude! Look at this thing!
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, guys. On the mango chili. Second cast, smoked it. What's going on, partners?
What's going on, doggies?
We're back in Little Pete's kitchen.
We're
See
here.
what we got going today.
Look at the hog.
Look at that. Lake Mary. And Nolan's gonna be doing a little catch and cook.
Yes.
Chef Little P over here.
We're gonna marinate it first. So what I'm gonna do for that is gonna make garlic oil, let it cool down, and then we have some rub, some Traeger rub.
Traeger fin and feather rub.
And then we're gonna do like a tomato confit, and we're gonna do gnocchi. Just plate it all together, just make it delicious. First step, we're gonna make the garlic oil. So I'm just gonna cut these in half. I'm not really gonna clean all of it at all, just strain it. Just get these guys, throw them in your oil. And we don't have much oil, so I'm just working with what we got. And then I'm just gonna bring this to a boil, make sure it's all flavorful and you can smell the garlic flavor in the oil. And then just let it cool down. And I'm gonna fillet this guy, put the garlic oil in, get some herbs, and then add this guy in there too, and just let it sit in the fridge till we're ready to eat. Yeah, guys. All right, next step, we are gonna confit the tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes. Just grab a couple. Just let you do the same thing, just drop it in the oil. You can put this in the oven if you'd like to, but we don't got time for that, so we're just doing it this way. Just let that go, bring it to a boil. Yeah, next step is to fillet the fish. We can't really show it because YouTube will probably kill us, so I'll show you the aftermath. Alright guys, just filleted the fish.
Look at those fillets, man. Straight out the fish market, dude.
Woo! Woo! So we're just gonna cut these into little portion-sized pieces, and then we're gonna marinate it. All these guys are ready. Just need to strain that guy. And these guys, I'm gonna keep the oil and marinate it, and then keep the tomatoes to cut to plate. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Guys,
Bang!
marinade.
Marinade.
We got our
Con
slabs,
Conquistador.
our trout slabs.
Look at those.
We're gonna just plop these guys in. Just hang out with each other.
Marination. Wow.
There we go. We're just gonna let that sit in there.
Let it soak
Soak
in the
up.
juices.
Soak up the juices.
Beautiful, dude. Some nice little nuggets in there. We got some good stuff, man.
Yes. Now we let it sit in the fridge.
For how long?
Hour, a little over an hour. And then with this, we're gonna pair it with just like a brown buttered gnocchi. And yeah, have some of the tomato confit on the side, just plate it nice. Parmesan. Yeah, guys. See you when it's ready.
Getting all the angles. Every angle. Oh! Just tossing the bacon.
We got the fish. It's been like an hour and a half sitting in this nice gooey goo. Gonna throw that on the cast iron. We're gonna get our gnocchi going.
Pronounced gnocchi, actually.
Gnocchi.
It's the proper way. Look at that. Look at that flick of the wrist.
Oh, we got some boilage.
Oh, it's time to put the gnocchi in. There she goes, the coochie.
Our cast iron. Just get oil. That's literally it. We got 3 things going at the same time.
Look at this, chef's in action.
Just waiting for this to brown. This is going, so we're gonna get our, how do you say it?
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi. It's definitely not how you say it, but you know what? We're gonna go with it. Look at those.
Ooh. This guy's touching with his hands, dude.
And the best flavor is people's hands. Oh!
Oh my god.
There you go. Gonna burn the place down. Now we're gonna get this flavor.
Oh, that looks so yummy.
Look at
Look
that.
at that. Woo!
Gonna throw one down.
Throw one downtown. Let it
With the
burn.
cast iron.
Oh, look
Make
at that
sure
sizzle.
if you have skin on, to push it down. It'll not get a good sear. How does it feel to catch this, Austin?
That's great.
And
man.
eat it in a couple hours after.
I'm putting food on the table. We have the wife in the kitchen.
Damn straight. Here we go.
Look at that. Bang. Oh god. It's getting oiled. Almost brown, I'd say.
Almost brown. We're almost there. We're waiting for these to lift up. For them to rise. That means it's all ready to go. And you just toss them in the brown butter.
You don't say.
Flavor.
Wow.
It's Flavor Town.
Headed to Flavor Town.
That literally looks like some salmon cuts right there.
Nope, that's rainbow trout.
Yep. What was the size of your trout?
Compliments of Desert Springs. Trout hatchery. So 5.7 or 6, something like that.
So, you guys aren't here, but if you smell it, if you're cooking this, it should have like a nutty flavor.
Nutty.
Scent.
Let me smell some nuts. Very
Skin
nutty.
there?
Very
Yes.
nutty, dude.
Very nutty?
Very nutty.
Alright.
Oh, they're risen. They
They're
have
all
risen.
puffy. Just slap it in
Gnocchi.
there.
Ow!
Austin's not used to the burns in the kitchen.
Guys in harm's way.
Break them up. Just gonna sprinkle a little of this
Oh, look
on
at that
top.
angle. Getting all the angles. Wow. Look at that nice flick of the wrist.
There we go.
Perfect.
Flavor.
Nice rub.
Now we're just gonna let this
Flavor Town, dude.
toss it in
Woo!
that brown butter.
Oh yeah.
Now we're just waiting for color. So what you're supposed to do is cook it 80% of the way on the skin side. And then you do a quick flip on the end. Just near the bottom, make it stiff. So it has a crispy side. You don't want to flip it and then flip it back over because then it's not going to be crispy. You want the crunch.
You want the crunch? You hear that, guys? You heard the man.
My other ingredients.
What's your other ingredient?
The Parmesan. He's my sous chef. Whoa! The bag. You probably just threw everything with the bag. There you go. Oh, and the lemon. The best part.
Ew!
What'd you do to it? This guy got the grossest
Got
lemon.
mold.
He had one job.
Dude, he was the last one there, dude. He needed to get taken, dude. Little Peas restaurant.
There we go. Better. So on the plate, you just do this. Just plate it like that.
Guy's doing the
We'll
splits.
see. Then we'll squeeze a little lemon on there. Oh,
Look at
looks
that.
like the salmone is almost ready.
Salmone.
I'm just getting trout.
Trucha.
Oh, we're getting some color, guys.
Oh, Color Town.
It's gonna be fluffy, nice and fluffy. Has a little crust on the end. You ready for the flip?
I'm ready, dude.
You ready for the flip?
I don't think they're ready. Oh, look at this flip. Woo! Look at that.
A little crispy.
Oh, crisper. Look at that skin, dude.
Should have left it on there for a little bit longer, but you know what?
That's short.
Screw it. Oh god.
Oh, this guy's.
I'm tonguing it.
Oh, look at that one, dude. Ow.
The 2 shots are getting burnt. Oh. Oh, there we go.
Oh, look at that.
That'll be my piece.
Dang. Ow, ow.
This guy got a little toasty, but you guys can't feel it, but the skin's nice and crispy. And the way to know when the trout is done, or salmon, or any kind of fish, is feel the sides. You pinch the sides, and it should be firm. If it's not firm, it's all mush on the side. It's not ready to go, it's undercooked. You're waiting for that to come. You might want to sear the sides a little bit. Get a little side sear going. There we go, see the little crispy side. I think this is the nicest looking piece. Oh, it's getting real flaky over here.
Flake it down.
Let it get in those juices. This guy needs to join the fun. There we go.
Wow.
These guys are good to go.
Oh, twisted.
They're perfect.
That's what
You want the crisp. Get the lemon juice.
Ooh, oh. Look at that. Woo!
Then you got your lemon.
Look at that. 5-star service over here, sir. Wow.
That's a trout fillet.
That is insane, dude.
Lake Mary style.
Lake Mary, rainbow trout, some nice gnocchi, nice little lemon doing the splits.
If you want to get
Some more Parmesan.
more parm if you want.
Oh.
There we go.
Bang.
Low Piece Kitchen.
Low Piece Kitchen out.